When it comes to drawing anything, it'd be a good idea to break things down into shapes. Keep it simple. When you simplify things, it can make drawing something complicated easier. Like for example, the head is like a circle and a rectangle. That's the shapes I chose to break it down into. Look at the form or whatever you're trying to draw and break it down into shapes. The shapes you see within that form. Simple shapes you see within that form. And you can bend and tweak them to make them more complex. Now, what are dragons? They're reptiles, giant reptiles, iguanas, geckos, whatever. In movies or cartoons, if you see a dragon, more likely it was these kind of lizards or any kind of reptiles. They used as reference to build these up and come up with them. If you keep, in order to make it look more like a dragon, you should make sure you keep incorporate the things to make it look reptile-like. The scales, the claws, the rough leather-like skin, and you should use references if you need it. There's no shame in using references. I don't get why people feel ashamed to use a reference, but when people jump on YouTube to find a tutorial on whatever they're trying to draw, that's basically using a live video reference. So you're kind of contradicting yourself for those who kind of feel that they're cheating or they shouldn't use a tutorial. You're using a reference. It's not a bad thing. I use references. A lot of people use references. There's nothing wrong with it. When you use a reference, you don't have to copy it exactly what you see. You can tweak and change it up a bit. If you pay attention close, I use 3 different references. Does it look very much like any of them? No. I pull different things from each one that I liked and that I saw within them. You don't have to copy a reference exactly. You just copy what you like and tweak it to how you like it even more.